Algorithm. Now we should understand what is an algorithm. An algorithm is a step-by-step procedure for solving a problem. Provided we have some of the properties of algorithm. The first property of algorithm is input, second one is output, third definiteness, fourth effectiveness, fifth finiteness. Every algorithm needs at least a single input. The input is the data to be transferred during the computation to produce the output. What data do you need to begin to get a result you want? Those things we need to specify as part of the input. Coming to output, as I said, for every input there is an output. The output is the data resulting from the computation. Whatever the input we have submitted, it gets processed internally and we are going to get some output. Next, we have definiteness. Every algorithm must specify every step and the order of the steps clearly. Definiteness means specifying the sequence of operations for turning input into output. So what are all the correct order of steps we are following to achieve our output? So algorithm should have a definite number of steps and each step should be written clearly. Next, effectiveness. When we can say our algorithm is an effective algorithm is, whatever we are going to write as part of the algorithm, that specific step must be doable. Which means the step whatever we have written, if it is achieved or if it is doable, then we can say that it is an effective algorithm. Next, we have finiteness. The algorithm must stop eventually at some point. That is, an algorithm should have a stopping step. Stopping may mean that you get the exact output or you get a response that no solution is possible. Finiteness is not usually an issue for non-computer algorithms. The computer algorithms often repeat instructions with different data and finiteness may be a problem. So as we are working with a multiple data, definitely we require a finite amount of steps to be processed in order to get our final result. So these are the 5 main important properties of algorithm.